In this video, I'll show you how to make a forum channel in Discord mobile. In order to create a forum channel, you need to have the community enabled for your server. So to do that, press on the server name, and over in the right, press on settings, then scroll down and you should see an enable community button. Press that and then press get started. So to ensure user safety, you need to have the verified email, and then you need to enable scam messages sent by all members. You also need to have a rules or guidelines channel along with a community updates channel, and you can just set that to have Discord create one for you. Press next and then agree to the terms and then press finish setup. So now if we come into our server and press create channel, you'll see there's now a forum channel, and then you can name it and then press create in the top right, and now we'll have a forum channel. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.